What is a golf ball marker? We're going to talk about this common point in golf and how a ball marker is extremely important. The ball marker is a small flat object that marks the exact position of your ball when putting on the green so that it can be lifted, cleaned, or moved to avoid the other players from putting their golf shots. Now, the uses and the rules of this might have changed in the last 100 years, but you must place the ball directly behind the ball before lifting it. When it is your turn to play, you can replace the ball in front of the marker and remove the marker from the putting surface. Now, the evolution of this really started in the early 1900s. There were no official markers. Players simply used whatever they had in their pockets: pennies, small stones. Sounds like a round of golf with me. Nonetheless, by the 1920s and 30s, it became more practical in the rules of golf, and eventually golf became more commercialized. Clubs began producing metal, and tokens started to come out used as ball markers. Today, these ball markers have evolved into many pieces of golf art, souvenirs, and important relics of a golf day. Now, golfers often collect them for different courses and tournaments and to remember their travels along the way. This is an important ball mark. It's also in the rules of golf, under rules of golf 13.1c, you're entitled to replace damages on the putting greens. So using a ball marker is very important. So you can mark it, make the damage repairs as needed. Ensure the marker is personal and often collectible, but it's a tool that's for fairness. And when the ball marker has evolutional impact on your shot, it is removing the premier way players preserve and the quality of the course for everyone else. Brings you one step closer to understanding what a ball marker is. It's a pretty simple concept. On the putting green surface, you put a marker down right behind your ball. You could pick up your ball as long as the marker is down. It's indicating where your ball is on the putting green surface. Sometimes you have to move your marker if the person is putting around it, but that is in a whole nother realm. That's it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to understanding what is a ball marker. If you're having this problem, stick with the PARfessor. The fundamentals of golf are going to be here, and we'll get you to a golf course as soon as possible. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come here at the PARfessor and Independent Golf channel, focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.